Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss some exam oriented important question. So here we go. The first question is, which of the following country became the first country in the world to accept Bitcoin as legal currency? So Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency and El Salvador is the country who which whose law mandated that Bitcoin be accepted as legal tender alongside the US dollar, aiming to promote financial inclusion and economic growth. Now the next question, Khamba Toibi is an important form of art of which state? So it is of Manipur. It is traditional dance drama form is integral to Manipuri culture. Next question is, the pH of saliva of a healthy human mostly ranges from, so it ranges from 6.2 to 7.6, which is slightly acidic to neutral pH range, is crucial for maintaining oral health. Now the next question is, the Himalayan mountain range is a kind of which type of mountain? So it is a type of fold mountain. These mountains were formed by the collision of the Indian plate and Eurasian plate. Now next question is, which of the following soil particles are the finest in their size? So the right answer is clay. Now next question is, Nitila, Lipulekla Pass are in which state? So these are in Uttarakhand. Now the next question is, what is the SI unit of temperature? So the SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. Second is the SI unit of time, and meter is the SI unit of length. Next question is, which state is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides? So it is Tripura. Now the next question is, what is the name of the Aadhaar mascot launched by UIDI? So it is UDAI. Now the next question, the Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat campaign aims to make India child marriage free by, so it is free by 2030. Also, Balod district in Chhattisgarh achieved a milestone by becoming India's first child marriage free district in 2025. Next question is, the first ever Khelo India Tribal Games is to be hosted by which state? So it is hosted by Chhattisgarh and the mascot is Morveer. More means mine and Veer symbolize courage and valor. Now the next question is, the real GDP growth for financial year 2027 is projected at, so it is projected at 6.8 to 7.2%. Now the next question is, the Operation Meghdoot was launched on April 13 in which year? So it is in year 1984, and it is also this day is also observed as Siachen Day. Now the next question is, the World Archery has named which sports person as the para archer of the year 2025? So she is Sheetal Devi from Jammu and Kashmir. Now, Exercise Dustlik is a joint military exercise between India and which Central Asian country? So it is between India and Uzbekistan, and with Kazakhstan the military exercise is Kajind. Next question, name the India-Egypt Joint Special Forces exercise recently held at Ansahas, Egypt. So it is Cyclone 4, and Suryakiran is between India and Nepal, and Sampriti is between India and Bangladesh. Now the next question, name the international border line which separate India from China. So it is McMahon line. Durand line is between Afghanistan and Pakistan, and Red Cliff separate India and Pakistan. Now next question is, who is the winner of IPL 2026? So winner is Royal Challengers Bangalore, that is RCB, and the runner-up team is Gujarat Titans. Here we go with some question of IPL 2026. So the champion is Royal Challenger Bangalore, that is RCB. Runner-up team is Gujarat Titan. Player of the match or final match, Virat Kohli. Most valuable player, He is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Highest run scorer. He got orange cap. That he is Vaibhav Suryavanshi again. Next, highest wicket taker. He got purple cap. Kagiso Rabada. Super striker of the season is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Most number of sixes. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Most number of fours. He is Sai Sudarshan. Emerging player of the season Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Green Dot Ball Award got by Mohammad Siraj. Best catch of the season by Manish Pandey. Fair Play award goes to Punjab Kings. That's all for today. Thank you.